Hachama chama! Welcome back to Cooking with Deli. Today we're making sushi, but not just any sushi. We're firing up the grill to make Haaton rolls for hashtag Hachama Sushi. We're going to start with the filling. Obviously, if we're making Haaton rolls, we're going to need some fresh Haaton meat. I've chosen ribs. We're going to trim them up and season them Texas style with salt, pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and that special white powder that gives everything that extra umami punch. We're going to smoke it at 250 till we get a nice bark on it. Once we see our bark has formed, we can go ahead and spray the ribs down with apple juice and apple cider vinegar, and then we can wrap it up. We'll have it on for about 2 more hours. As the internal temperature reaches about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, we can put some sauce on it, crank up the heat, and after 25 minutes or so, your ribs are done. Oh, and I also made bacon. Yeah, can't forget that. Now that the meat is done, it's time to shred it up and roll some sushi. Now, I need to make this rice yellow. I could use food coloring, but I heard that if you use saffron, you can get a really good result. It also adds a really interesting flavor, and I've got to say, I recommend it, even though it's really expensive. Just add a pinch to half of the water that you're going to add to your rice, and that's it. This is also my first time rolling sushi, so please don't criticize my technique too much. I'm going to be using raisins for eyes, a pepperoni for the snout, and there you go, an authentic Texas-style Haaton roll.